Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into a head-to-head comparison between these two AI tools to help you figure out which one reigns supreme for your needs. Whether you're looking for a powerful assistant for research, content creation, or problem solving, we've got you covered. Now, we will explore their strengths, weaknesses, and everything in between to help you decide which AI is the best fit for you. So let's begin. Okay, so our first contender is Perplexity AI. It is a conversational AI platform that allows users to interact with AI models in a chat-based interface, similarly to our other contender, which is ChatGPT. Basically, it's designed to provide answers to various queries by pulling from a wide range of information sources. You can create your account here by clicking the sign up button. And from here, you can choose to create any of the following accounts. You can use your Google, your Apple, or you can enter your business or personal email. From there, all I have to do is click on continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, one of the key features of Perplexity AI is that it focuses on providing fact-based, transparent answers, often including sources or citations for the information it provides. You see, for example, you type in your questions and press enter. What will happen is, it will pull up live, up-to-date data from the web, allowing it to answer questions related to the current events or new developments effectively. You see that? Unlike some AI models, Perplexity AI often provides citations again or sources for the information it gives, increasing its credibility and trustworthiness. It aims to provide, again, accurate responses, especially useful when searching for specific, reliable information. So in my case, basically, I experienced using this platform. It is designed to provide fact-based and accurate responses to use with an intuitive chat interface, making it accessible to a wide range of users. All right. On the upper right corner, you have the share button, but that's only for the author can view or shareable with anyone that can view that link. You can share that link right here with your Twitter, WhatsApp, copy link, or to your Facebook. You see that? On the home page, you will be reverted back again to the new chat or new thread if you want. You see that? And the Discover section, you would have all of these options for you. All right? Spaces gives you this. You can create a space, upload a file, set AI instructions, collaborate with others. All right. And the library right here is the history of the recent threads. If you click on the button right here, you can add it to your space. For example, this. I'm going to be using this instead. Click on create. All right. So basically, that's what Perplexity can give and offer to you. If you want to upgrade to the Pro plan, right here, see, the free is basically forever. The professional comes at $20 per month, and you can have all of these perks and advantages that you wanted. All right. Now, moving along with our next contender, which is now ChatGPT is similar to Perplexity AI. It is also a conversational AI model developed by OpenAI. It is part of the GPT, or the generative pre-trained transformer family of language models, and is designed to engage in natural language conversations with the users. It can understand and generate human-like text, making it capable of answering questions, providing explanations, offering advice, and even completing tasks such as writing essays, creating code, and composing stories. Now, once you are on the OpenAI website, you have all three options. You can try ChatGPT on the web browser, or you can download the ChatGPT desktop. If you want to learn more, just click this option. It would be forwarded here. You can sign up your account here. You can create image, get advice, make a plan, summarize, checks, and more. Now, one of the key features of ChatGPT is that it can understand and respond to text inputs in a conversational manner, handling a variety of topics from simple queries to more complex discussions. Again, type your question here, press enter to see that it is capable of performing multiple tasks, such as answering factual questions, offering creative writing assistance, making suggestions, summarizing text, and even assisting with coding tasks. You see, ChatGPT retains context within a conversation, allowing it to offer more relevant responses based on the previous exchanges within a certain limit of tokens or conversation length. From here, you can put in the attachment, but again, before you can do that, it's one of the limitations if you're using the free account. If you want to upgrade to the plus subscription, that would make it $20 per month. You can level up productivity and creativity with expanded access. All right, you can have all of these perks and advantages. If you want to scale up to the business, that's going to be $25 per month, but you can supercharge your team's work with a secure collaborative workspace, which is helpful if you're working with multiple freelancers, or if you're part of an organization, or if you're working with clients. Now, on the drop-down menu, you can click the temporary chat. What will happen is you would be forwarded here. It's a different kind of thing, right? It's like an incognito mode right here. It's temporary chat. Now, it uses deep learning and vast amounts of training data to generate responses that mimic human speech, making interactions more fluid and natural. So, most of the people nowadays use ChatGPT because it's one of the widely popular platform that has been trained on a wide range of topics, allowing it to assist in diverse fields like science, technology, and a lot more. Now, I highly suggest you use ChatGPT if you need a more flexible conversational AI that can handle a wide range of queries from creative tasks to problem solving, because ChatGPT, I believe from my experience, is the superior option because it's ideal for creative tasks, technical support, writing assistance, and casual conversations. It's very useful for users seeking depth, creativity, and an interactive experience. On the other hand, you use Perplexity AI if you're looking for a quick fact-checked answers and up-to-date information. Basically, it's a great tool for creative task, technical support, and sometimes if you're seeking a reliable information from the current web content, all right? Because it gives you factual answers, and Perplexity AI, I believe, is a better answer. But the thing is, ultimately, the better tools depend on your specific needs. Again, Perplexity AI is better for research, while ChatGPT excels in broader, more interactive tasks. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.